Hi everyone, I'm Michelle Kwok, co-founder and CEO of FLIK. We're a platform and community hub that connects female founders and leaders with students from all across the world through meaningful apprenticeships. So female founders who are notoriously under-resourced are able to gain helping hands on their businesses, and female students are able to gain career-relevant experience, skills training, and mentorship under established female leaders in any industry. A huge reason why I started this with my co-founder Ravina is because I went to Western for medical sciences, and I didn't know there were other careers out there except to be a doctor. And while I was in university, I ended up reaching out to a bunch of startups and able to gain experience in event creation, in business development, in marketing, and so much more. And through those experiences, I was able to see that entrepreneurship really was a path that was available to me. And instead of going to medical school, I ended up going into entrepreneurship and being able to start this social tech venture that I never thought I would have been able to before. And it's been an amazing experience since January of 2020. We've had over 5,000 women from 47 countries around the world apply for our platform, and we're just growing globally. We would love your support. So if you're interested in joining our mission to advance women's economic participation and accelerate women-led ventures globally, please check us out at weareflik.com, and we're excited to connect with you.